Cielo is an exclusive hillside community in Rancho, Santa Fe. Typically, you can't make it through the 24-hour manned gates without having an invitation from an owner here in the community. However, today, I'm going to take you beyond the gates and I'm going to introduce you to my new listing in Rancho, Santa Fe, as well as giving you a little sneak peek into what Cielo has to offer. This home is situated on a 48,000 square foot parcel and offers panoramic views from nearly every room. Tons of windows and natural light throughout, this expansive floor plan is 5-bedroom, 4.5 baths, and includes an office, bonus room, and 3-car garage. The grand entry opens up to a formal dining and living space, with an executive office as well. French doors extend to the backyard and a private patio so you can enjoy the outdoors even while you work. The gourmet kitchen is open to the casual dining and family room, which is a perfect gathering space for family and friends. This property is a perfect space to entertain and enjoy your guests without feeling that there is too many cooks in the kitchen. The oversized owner's suite with a luxurious master bath and his and hers closets offers stunning sweeping views and its own gas fireplace. And now my favorite part of this property, the backyard. Infinity pool with attached spa, built-in barbecue, water features, mature landscaping, and upscale lighting with tons of views overlooking the Crosby Golf Course. Relax, have your morning coffee, and start your day watching the sunrise or entertain till your heart's content. Either way, this backyard has you covered. The quality of construction, workmanship, and attention to detail in this home is truly extraordinary. The owners spared no cost in adorning this home with beautiful upgrades and statement pieces throughout. Top-notch workmanship such as custom tile inlays, coffered ceilings, and beautiful woodwork give it a majestic feeling. Finishing it off with unique specialty light fixtures such as this chandelier made entirely of Swarovski crystals give it a personality of its own. It is timeless, luxurious, and full of character all at the same time. This hillside village offers amazing amenities within the gates, including 2 pools, 2 tennis courts, a state-of-the-art fitness center, basketball, volleyball courts, and even a kids' climbing wall. If you're looking for a new place to call home that has it all and it's ready for you to move in, this is it. Welcome home.